Hello, my dear crafters. So here I am with a small, medium, I think it's medium, haul from Dollar Tree. And guys, I want to hear from you. So please let me know in the comments below, because yesterday I went to Dollar Tree and I looked around and I just had the idea of maybe next time I'll bring my camera and just show you all the products, because of course I don't buy everything, but I would really love to show you how big the crafting area has become, and it's even bigger now. Yesterday I was like, wow, they even have these big signs now for crafting and just letting you know that the area is bigger, and they are really investing in that. So if you want, leave the comment below. Yeah, bring your camera and show us around, and I'll be happy to do that. But if you don't, then I'll just, maybe it's just a good idea in my head. So anyway, here's what I found yesterday. This is new. I had not seen this before at the Dollar Tree. Let me get this plastic out of the way. They're really now investing in paper, which of course for me is like, thank you, finally, because we know how pricey paper can be. Look at how beautiful this shimmery, glittery paper is, and it's really good quality. I hope you can see how gorgeous it is. When I saw the color, I said I have to have that. So let's see. I don't even know what's underneath, but oh, it's all glitter. Look at this pink. So they have 5 sheets of glitter paper, very good quality, for $1.25. You know, if you go to Michael's or Joann's or any of those stores, you're going to pay like at least 75 cents for one. At least, but it's usually like $1.50, more than that. So let me just show you the beautiful colors that they have. Oh my goodness, I did not, when I bought it, I didn't open, so I thought it was just the first one. Black, I like black because that's not very easy to find. And this one, guys, I hope you see that it's kind of a rainbow. It's not white, it's kind of a rainbow color glitter paper. This will be perfect for rainbows. I will use it, and I love the green. So can you believe all of this? 5 12 by 12 paper sheets of glitter paper. And it's not those thick glitter that is hard to cut with your dies, for example. It's very good thickness, one-sided, but it's easy to cut. Love it. I am in love with this. This is the first time I see. So they're coming up with more paper. Here's what I found yesterday too. That's what they call it, the doors, the crafter's square. So as you know, I make a lot of notebooks, and now I'm making notebooks with the cinch too. I'll show you some that I just made. And they have this wonderful, perfect, look at these pages. Make each day your masterpiece. And these are quotations. They have 2 of each. And I just think they are perfect for notebooks. Look at that. Or even for the center of a card. You can use just the center and cut it with your dies. Isn't that wonderful? A true artist is not one who is inspired, but one who inspires others. Love that. Dali. That's who wrote that. Savor the moment. So just beautiful colors. I'd never seen this before at the Dollar Tree. So it just shows you how much they are really investing. So this is really something new that I hadn't seen before. Let's continue. I got, and since I told you about the notebooks that I'm making with the cinch, so I got this elastic band. They are really good for notebooks. I'm sure you can, if you sew, you use it for something else, but they're very good quality, and you get a lot. It's 11 yards, 10 meters, 11 yards. I got 2 colors, and the reason why I got these is that I want, because these are the latest notebooks that I've made. Let me just show you quickly with the cinch, with the binding machine. So I add, like inside I add some pockets and stuff like that. I always add pockets to the cover, and the back too. These are pockets. So that's one. And what I want to do, and this one is my fave, guys. Look at that. This is for my dear cousin, Tatiana. I have some ephemera here for her. And also more ephemera here. Look at that. Like a triple pocket with some ephemera. I always add a page of that, like ephemeras and stuff in a pocket. And then at the end, another pocket. So these are the notebooks that I'm making now. And I have this one here that I didn't make, but it has elastic. And I do think it adds a lot when you have an elastic. That's why I bought these. And look how perfect they are. This is the absolute right one. It's the perfect elastic for that. And that's why I bought some. And I'm going to try to make it with elastic today. Because I think especially if you put it in your bag, it just lasts longer. So there's the elastic. So I got some more. Oh, I got this because I have a lot of coloring pencils that I keep in a drawer. So I just bought this yesterday. Sorry about that. So I bought this yesterday. Perfect for that. And it has space for big ones and for small ones. Like these ones are smaller, so they go here, or they can go here too. Let me show you. Yeah, they can go here. They're smaller. These are just regular size pens, and I'm making a mess here, but that's okay. Just wanted to show you. So it fits a lot of pens, and they have in different colors. I only seen one in white, but I like that it comes in colors now, and I'm gonna hold the pen so you can see it. So it stays, on your desk. I'm gonna put this back. So that's something that I got yesterday too, and I already filled it up with markers. I got some more. Oh, here's something that I hadn't seen before either. Let me put this aside. So remember these little tiny books that I'm making for with the cinch too, these tiny little ones. I also make some pockets and stuff. Yeah, these ones very tiny, and I use them using these index cards, but I had never seen it colored. So they came up with these colored ones, and I got 2 packs. So I'm going to make, because you can make 2. See, it's the perfect size here. See, that's what I use it for. So I just cut it in half and I make these little ones. So I love that they have now this colored, and that's what I'm gonna use from now on. Just to have an option. Instead of being white, it's going to be colored now. So continuing, I have got, these wall creations. They call it removable tile decor. That's what they call it. This is actually in the home goods, like home area decoration or whatever. And these is absolutely perfect because, first of all, look how beautiful it is. It's tiles. This one is with silver. I love the blue one. It looks like Portuguese tiles. And this one with gold. And guys, what I love about it is that peel and stick. So it already comes with glue. And all you need to do for your boxes, your scrapbook, or for your cards, just cut it the size that you want and it's ready to go. I just find that they're so easy to use. Even for wood, if you want to decorate something, a piece that you have in wood, this is perfect. All you need to do is peel it off and you're ready to go. Love them. This is my fave. I love it. I know, it's like, yeah, you already said it. Okay, so, and of course I got some more notepads, because guys, stay tuned, because I'm coming up with something. I usually cover it and I have a pen here and stuff like that. I'm going to make a new tutorial that I'll use these pads and the other ones too, the three, and this one is 4x6, but there is one that is 5x3.5, and I love those too. And I'm going to make it more like an album. So you're going to open to the left and you're going to open to the right, and you're going to have pockets. So that's a new tutorial I'm planning. So I got 2 for that. I got some pens, and I'm going to zoom in now because I want to try them right now. I got some paper here. And here are the ones. These are chalk writers, right? And you know that I use a lot of gold, and I use a lot of, I'm always looking for new markers because they're different and they color differently. Some are more transparent, some are thicker. So I'm always looking for new ones. And we're going to try these 2 here. They're chalk writers, so markers. Let's see what they look like. And I always like to try it on different papers and also dark and light. So let me maybe zoom in a little more. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, you have like a very thick, really like a marker on one side, and on the other you don't have anything, I guess. Oh, it's just that. Down. Oh, okay, this is to press it down and up, so it goes down and up. So this is not a marker really, it's actually chalk, which I should know because that's what it says. Well, let's see what it looks. Wow, even though it's a marker, but I guess it would be nice to, let me see, to fill. Let me see on the blue. Ooh. Yeah, if you want that look, the chalk look, it's fine. Let me do on black. Yeah, it's not what I was looking for, but then again, I never do anything with chalk, but you see, like it's kind of a transparent chalky, I guess. Well, it depends on what you want, right? So let's see this one. That's good. Yeah, it's chalky, I guess. It's nice. It's very nice for what it is. It's chalky. So see, it's not something fine that you use for fine detail things, but it does the job. And if you want that chalky look, I guess that's fine. Let me just write something. I'm gonna write love. If you want chalk look, well, not the thing I use, but you know me, gotta try. Didn't like it very much. So I got some more supplies. I got these are glue dots, but they're very big. See how big they are? They're about ½ an inch. But these are perfect. Remember my tutorial on how to make these beautiful with paper. You use paper and glue. These seals. So I bought these big ones because they will be perfect for that. So you just use and you put it on the back and they're ready to go. You peel it off and they're ready to go. So I thought this would be perfect for my seals. I got one more of these because I have another tutorial coming up that I'm going to need this little calendar that comes with this. I love those. And I got some resealable bags. They're coming up with more sizes now. They didn't used to have a lot of options. This one is a good size. It's 4 inches by 3. So nice for small things. So I got some of that. Some more, not vellum. What do you call these again? Totally forgot how to say that. Anyway, what do you call those? You call it with Velcro. I was gonna say Velcro. Yeah, so Velcro dots, bigger ones, because I use the little ones a lot, but I'm going to make like a big bag, paper bag that I need a bigger one, so I got that. And also just for an idea for you guys, I buy sometimes some note cards there because they have these packs. Look at that, how many? It's like 10. Yeah. 13, 5.5 by 4.25. So it's like 15 cards. And what I do is I use it as a base. And then I create my card on top of it sometimes. The last thing I want to show you is this, guys. This is really, really nice. So they have these mats. These are wonderful for crafting. I use them all the time. This is a cutting mat, so you can cut your paper and do whatever you want. They used to have, Dollar Tree used to have one that was really not good at all, but now they have a very good, sturdy and thick one, and it's a perfect size for, it's 8 inches, so it's actually 9 inches. 9 by 7. So 9 by 7, this is perfect on the go. So if you're going somewhere and you want to bring your things to color or whatever, to cut some things, this is perfect, a perfect size to just bring along when you're going somewhere. So I believe this is it. Yes, I don't have anything else. So thank you so much. I hope this inspires you. And if you do want me to go and show you the store, I'll be happy to do that, but only if you say so, because it's kind of embarrassing. I'm sure the manager will love it though. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I'll see you next.